what's up? Have you done my homework? Let me see it. Hurry up, hurry up. Don't make me slap you again, you mourn.
Here it is, I've done it.
Hey Susie, have you found the test online?
Nope, I've been busy trying out my new outfit and makeup. Do you like it, Jenny?
Yeah, amazing. It must have cost you a lot.
My folks have got money, so I don't really care how much it is.
Yeah, you're right. It's not money, so why not spend as much as you can? Ha ha ha.
Right, sometimes they try to kind of punish me for bad grades and then I just I start screaming and stuff and they give in immediately.
Yeah, you're not the girl to be messed with. I wish my parents were like yours. They won't give me a dime unless I get good results at school.
How lame, I'll teach you some tricks to get what you want in no time.
By the way, I've downloaded the test for tomorrow, guys. I'm sending you a copy right now. Check if you've got it.
Thanks a bunch, this will definitely save the day. I would hate to spend whole day creaming. Not that I would do it, but anyway, ha ha ha.
Can you imagine our parents in the past making all those slips of paper with notes to copy from? Brr, now we've got everything on this gadget.
Hey guys, what's up? Are you getting ready to the excursion?
Yeah, sure. I'm going for lots of clothes shopping tonight. Getting a new pair of trainers and new pair of jeans. Already seen them in shop window.
I'm doing that with my mom.
Me too, but with my dad. That's really cool. But we've got a problem.
What's the matter, Jack?
Peter is not going.
It really sucks. We've got to do something about it.
We have to learn, but what can we do?
I don't know, but there must be something we can do. I have no idea.
I've got an idea. I don't know if everybody agrees, but we can give it a try. Let's sell all clothes and collect the money.
Wow, a great idea, George.
I agree.
I'm in too. But he mustn't know.
Don't worry, he's not coming to the afternoon classes. He's got a dentist appointment. We can ask other people if they agree.
Yeah, then we can collect the money tonight and tomorrow and give it to him tomorrow night. It's a weekend anyway. We are watching that new video at his house tomorrow. Remember?
Yeah, and with his shows a bit of embarrassment, we will say, "That's it, Peter. We are not going without you, period."
Can't wait! This will be the best part of our excursion.
Good afternoon, everyone. Please sit down. Everyone, please sit down. Here's the test results. On the Bob and Jenny, we've done it well.
It's time to change my stats from boring to got an A in English.
What the hell is this? Why did you give me an F?
Because you did only the first activity. It's all wrong.
You got your pets here.
I don't hear pets.
Yeah, right.
I can't give you a positive mark, but you can learn some more, and I'll be happy to give you another test to fix
I'm
it.
not going to do any test. You have to give me D.
I'll send you to the principal's student. Principal's
Send
office.
him, please. Maybe he'll stop boasting around.
Go to the principal office now and tell him that
Can't send him alone. It's against the rules, teacher.
I'll go to the principal's office and you must be quiet.
No,
You can go. You mustn't leave alone children in the class.
You can call the principal's office on mobile phone.
Okay, is a good idea. But I don't know his number. Does anyone have it?
Yeah, I'll give it to you. It's 069999456.
Thank you. Hello, is this Principal Stevens? It's Rita speaking. I want to ask you to... I can't hear you. A pet shop? No, not a pet shop. Not a pet shop. I'm really sorry. I must have the wrong number.
Let's go home. Talk to you on Face tonight.
Yeah, don't forget to post the video of today's class marks.
How can I forget? Make sure you share it and leave a comment.
Don't tag me in the video because of my mom.
When did you start worrying about what's your parents saying?
Hello everyone, nice to see you again. I hope you are not too tired today.
I'm not. Me neither.
I'm just a bit. Well, it's Friday and you'll have time to relax and spend some quality time with your friends and family. Now look at the board and tell me what you see.
I see a man in rags. He must be bigger.
Yes, his name is Bob. Since Bob is bigger, he doesn't have
A house, a wife,
No job.
no money. He doesn't have what to eat.
No car.
Good. Now let's imagine something. If Bob had a job, what would he also have?
If he had a job, he would have money.
And if he had money,
He would have a house.
And a car.
and if he had all of that,
He would have a wife and children.
so if he had money, house, car, and so on, he would be
Happy!
But
He's not. He's very sad.
good. So what would you do if you had $1 million?
I would buy a house by the sea.
I will go around the world.
I will open up my own business.
I would give it to the poor and keep something for rainy days.
I will build a building.
Great. These are all very nice ideas. For your homework, I want you to list everything you would do if you had that money, and I encourage you to use imagination, okay?
Okay.
See you next week.